I have never done facial in my life till today. No. पिंपल आया मुल्तानी मिट्टी लगा दो, यहाँ पे जल गया मुल्तानी मिट्टी लगा दो, टैन हो गए मुल्तानी मिट्टी लगा लो. It helps with your skin, it helps with your hair, it helps with your digestive system, it helps with the bloating, all four. Well, honestly, I was the trouble child. Like not troubled, troubling. Yeah. They used to make khana, like especially rotis. So they used to make rotis and this side से मैं गायब कर देती थी. मुझे बहुत मार पड़ी है, मेरी दादी और नानी दोनों ने बहुत मारा है मुझे. Oh, there'll be flying chappal. There's no reaction. There's a flying chappal coming from one corner. मतलब आज तो मैं गिरती हूँ मेरा फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है. Mix. Not trying it is a risk. If you're overdoing your fiber, you will be like in the washroom all the time.
जो चीज़ हमारी दादी हमें सर्दियों में ज़बरदस्ती पिलाती थी, आज वही चीज़ न्यूयॉर्क के कैफ़ेज़ में $12 में बिक रहे हैं. गोल्डन मिल्क, टर्मरिक मिल्क लाते, गट डिटॉक्स वाटर एंड व्हाट नॉट. हमारे लिए तो ये सिर्फ हल्दी दूध था, बट ग्लोबली आई थिंक इसका एक वेलनेस ट्रेंड बन चुका है. सो फ्रॉम घर के नुस्खे, होममेड रेमेडीज एंड सिंपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स, फाइनली द वर्ल्ड इज कैचिंग अप टू व्हाट आवर दादीज ऑलवेज न्यू. एंड दैट्स व्हाई ये शो है दादी अप्रूव्ड. And today we have someone really special with us. She's an actor, dancer, model, and someone whose glow is as radiant as her smile. And we're not just doing Bollywood talk, we are doing age-old traditions with little Dadi-approved secrets with the lovely Daisy Shah. Welcome to the show, Daisy.
Thank you, Clara.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
So nice to have you here. And as usual, you're looking stunning.
Thank you.
And first question, directly. When you hear the term Dadi-approved, कौन सी ऐसी nostalgic memory या दादी का image immediately दिमाग में आता है?
Well, honestly, I was the trouble child. Like not troubled, troubling. Yeah. So I was that and मुझे बहुत मार पड़ी है. मेरी दादी और नानी दोनों ने बहुत मारा है मुझे.
Oh, they were strict?
No, they were not strict. As I said, that I was a trouble child.
Yeah,
so
you were naughty.
Yeah, I was very naughty. Every time they used to make khana, like especially rotis. So they used to make rotis and this side से मैं गायब कर देती थी. They used to feed it to the puppies and cows and all. So they had a problem with that.
So did you grow up with your dadi or you visited her during the vacation?
So it was every year. Obviously, summer vacations was going to my mom's place.
Yeah.
Like so that's why where we met Nani and then we used to stay with Dadi because my dad. So it was a joint family.
So you grew up with her and you grew up seeing her rituals and her routine.
Yeah.
So was there any ritual or routine that you saw and you learnt it and you imbibed it today, or maybe you wish to, you know, incorporate it in your life?
Okay, so there's this गोंद भी बोलते हैं उसको, but गुजराती में गुंदर बोलते हैं.
अच्छा.
So उसका अचार बनता था and my daddy used to love it.
Okay.
Now, and I am not an achar person.
Okay.
And I think that is a skill not everybody has, you know, making achar.
Yeah, that's
I'm pretty sure कि अभी जितने 50s के ऊपर लोग हैं उनको ही आता होगा उसके
like the real authentic achar. Yeah.
Like how achar is being
Yeah,
made.
yeah, true.
और मेरे घर पे literally मतलब summers के अंदर ना 1 महीना अचार का preparation शुरू हो जाता था.
Wow, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है.
हो really लगेगा अचार. तो हमारे घर पे वो गुंदर जिसे गोंद बोलते हैं, गोंद, आम, मिर्ची और मिक्स्ड वेजिटेबल्स, ये सारे अचार बनते थे बिकॉज माय दादी यूज्ड टू लव इट. सो वो प्रिपेयर हो रहे हैं. Oh my God,
nostalgic moment for you, right? Memory
for
you. There's like so much pressure to look a certain way, right? Oh my God. Do you think the beauty standards are realistic? And do you think हमारी दादियों पे ये pressure था या उन्होंने care ही नहीं किया इस pressure के बारे में? Like they didn't care at all.
If we really have to look at it, you know, the food was so pure then. That is, so it did not affect the skin that much because all they ate was organic, was pure. Like we eat the vegetables, we eat the cow ghee, and I've seen them literally have ghee. Like today, जब हमें बोला जाता है घी खा ले ना हम लोग वो बनाया हो.
That is.
But my mom, my dadi, my nani, they literally had ghee, tons of ghee every day. Like 5, 6 tablespoons of ghee, imagine.
Do you like ghee?
I don't like ghee.
I could see that from your face while you were like, tons of ghee they have and I don't like it.
एंड अब लाइक हमारे और गुजरातीज की रोटियां फुलके होते हैं एकदम पतले
Yeah.
पतले से, तो
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर घी लगता ही लगता है. सो द मिनट यू पिक अप अ रोटी लाइक अ फुलका, दैट घी इज ड्रिपिंग.
Dripping. Yeah. Oh my God. But ghee is apparently good for your
It is
skin,
good,
right?
yes,
So that's
yeah.
why it makes sense to have.
That's why today we are so fragile.
Yeah, yeah.
Our bones are so fragile, but if you see our ancestors, their bones were so solid. मतलब आज तो मैं गिरती हूँ मेरा फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है,
Yeah.
पर ये ऐसा नहीं था.
ऐसा नहीं था पहले. They were quite strong
Yeah.
because of the diet mainly. So if your dadi were to react in the current trends, say plumping your lips, how would she react? Like what would her reaction
Well, there'll
be?
be flying chappal. There's no reaction. There's a flying chappal coming from one corner.
In Gujarati, she'll say something. So food you already mentioned, but was there anything other than food, any other ritual that you saw her doing? Say digestive water or something that she did and that was very specific to, you know, your dadi.
Well, so there was one thing that she had put us onto of having cardamom water or soft ka pani.
Ah.
So that is something that we have been doing it since childhood. Like I need to have my soft ka pani almost every day.
Yeah, every day.
Every day. Before going to bed,
Do you
I have my
soak it like
No, I
night
boil it.
prior?
I boil it.
Boil it in the morning.
No, I boil it. I have it warm. I don't have it thanda.
Okay, okay. Like fresh.
Yeah.
Don't because some people soak it previous night, right? And
So there's this thing where you are basically supposed to soak soft, methi dana, ajwain seeds, and jeera. All four of it.
Yeah.
You need to soak it in the night, boil it in the morning till the water is half, and then drink that.
Okay.
It helps with your skin, it helps with your hair, it helps with your digestive system, it helps with the bloating, all four of it.
Yeah, this is something I've heard a lot. I think this is great for your skin. Right?
Yes, it does.
It clearly shows, by the way. It clearly shows. And what about skincare recipes? Was there anything that you learned from your dadi, something specific that you still try?
I think multani mitti was something which was मतलब कुछ भी पिंपल आया multani मिट्टी लगा दो, यहाँ पे जल गया multani मिट्टी लगा दो, ये हो गया tan हो गया multani मिट्टी लगा लो. And also having bath like once in a week, having bath with besan and haldi. Not using soap.
Okay.
But besan
Like a
में थोड़ा
proper shower.
like make a paste of it, basic besan
Yeah.
and haldi.
So this was once in a week?
Yeah.
And you did it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's hectic, but that sounds like a good idea though. Is there any other recipe that you still do it other than that? Like some face pack on your skin?
Yeah. So there is besan, haldi. There's one secret ingredient that वो तभी नहीं use करते थे, but then now because हमारे पास
skin
access
type.
है exactly, तो हमने I add that. And then there's yogurt.
There's yogurt. Oh, perfect. So can we try this recipe today?
Of course
I'm
we
very
can.
excited
Yes,
to try
yes,
this
yeah.
on. Okay, amazing. So on the next segment, guys, we're going to try this recipe with Daisy. Very excited. I've washed my face also now. Okay.
So this is besan ka atta, which is dadi approved, I will say.
Yeah.
This is dahi. That's turmeric, haldi. This is doodh. And this is the secret ingredient that I was saying. This is aloe vera.
Okay.
Because my skin is on the drier side, so I really need this because it
to moisturize.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And this is rice flour. Now you can use any kind of flour that you want. So besan ka atta is basically for nourishment. Chawal ka atta is basically for brightening.
Okay.
And then you can also use wheat flour, which is for the elasticity.
All right. So for someone like me who's allergic to besan, you won't believe I'm allergic to besan. Yeah. Must have never met a person who's allergic to besan. But yes, I am. We'll have to directly go to the doctor if we do that.
Okay, so we'll do the brightening.
Yes, we'll do that. Are you trying this with me?
Yes, I am, because I just did my face pack yesterday.
Okay.
So the thing is that you're only supposed to do it once a week. Do not overdo it because it also strips your natural oils, because it dries your face.
Yeah.
So you're not supposed to.
That's a good point actually. A lot of people overdo face pack.
You're not supposed to.
And how long are you supposed to keep this?
Maximum 15 minutes.
15 minutes is
15
max.
minutes is most, even though if it's not dried completely, so it most of the people think it dry nahi hua hai, so you know I'll be waiting for a little longer, but you also need to understand the consistency. If you have put more doodh or if you have put more aloe vera gel, you know it won't dry that quickly. मतलब जो चीजें skin को absorb करनी है वो 15 minutes में हो जाता है.
हो जाता है एग्जैक्टली. 20 मिनट में ज्यादा बेटर नहीं होगा.
कुछ नहीं है.
तो वो बस लोगों को लगता है.
Yeah.
Are you also a 3-step, 6-step, 10-step skincare girly? Because you know there are so many things happening out there.
I have my almost 6-7 steps of skincare that I do, and believe you me, it's taken me a lot of while to understand this, to understand my skin type and all that. So a good amount of 5-6 years I've gone trial and error to understand what my skin reacts to and what suits me.
Correct.
So now I have my basic ingredients that I use for my face, and I've been like sticking to it since last 3 years, and it's done wonders to my skin.
What's your skin type, by the way? Mine's
I'm dry.
You're dry?
Yeah.
So you just do your basic cleansing. What's the steps like? Serum, cleansing and moisturizing.
So cleanser.
Yeah.
Then it's the toner.
Toner.
Toner is I need to use ceramide base because otherwise toner will dry my skin out completely.
Okay.
Ceramides and peptides are very good for nourishment of your skin, for the hydration. Then there's serum, and then there's moisturizer, and then there's eye cream.
Okay. So you are one of those who's like desi nuska theek hai, but you've got to do your routine.
Yeah, you have to.
You have to follow it. Are you a dermat girly? Do you believe in going to your dermat and getting your regular facials or chemical peels?
No, I don't do facials at all. I have never done facial in my life till today. No. No.
Oh my god.
I'm a chumpy girl.
Oh, like
But hair
facials.
facials, yeah.
Okay.
And I do have a dermat whom I religiously go to, but I only do 2 visits a year. And if I have a cyst or something which is like refusing to go,
Correct.
then I go to her. Otherwise, it's just one phone call ke ye hua, and she'll just tell me ke ye le lena ya wo le lena. But honestly, at the end of the day, everything is from within. So you need to make sure that you're eating right.
If you're just going to ask you that,
if you're overdoing your protein, you'll have breakouts.
That's true.
If you're overdoing your fiber, you will be like in the washroom all the time. If you're overdoing your coffee, you're going to be dehydrated. So everything needs to
I
be.
think that's the problem nowadays. People are overdoing everything. Whatever is in the trend, you know. Have you ever tried any trend that didn't work out for you?
No, luckily I haven't.
Shows again.
No.
Smart girl. Amazing. Okay, I can't wait to try this now. Should we get started?
Yes, please. So we take rice flour.
Okay. I'll remove this kid.
And we put very little haldi, otherwise it will become very yellow.
Yeah.
And then the stain will be there on the face.
So does this work for combination also? Like combination skin type, oily and dry, or only?
Yeah, so combination skin, just avoid doodh.
Okay. Okay. So I think we'll avoid doodh for me, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Makes sense. And the dahi moisturizes
Yes,
skin.
because this is, since I am a dry skin girl, that's why I use dahi and doodh both.
Yeah.
But for combination and oily skin, just avoid doodh.
Doodh. Okay.
And that's it. Ready?
Amazing. Mix, guys. And like she said, don't use milk if you have a combination skin type.
Yeah.
And try this at home, at your own dadi's risk, guys. Try it.
No, it's not a risk. Not trying it is a risk, because dadi might just, again, a flying
Not
chappal.
trying it is a risk, guys.
A flying chappal again. And people who don't like aloe vera, they can also substitute it for honey.
For honey, yes.
Should I apply it for you?
Yes.
It's going to feel cold.
Yeah, it does feel cold. It feels nice though. So, like you said, this helps in brightening, or this helps.
It's brightening
also
because it's rice
oily.
flour.
Yeah.
So it's going to brighten the skin.
Yeah. I can't talk, right? Because I'm
No,
very
you can.
Well, I can. Okay.
Unless it's multani mitti, because then it gets into the crevices of your skin.
Yeah.
This is going to be, it is not going to dry off. Okay, so we are
All right, ta-da, it's done. Let's click a picture together. Wow, amazing. That's amazing. So guys, we need 10 minutes. I'm going to let this dry off and we're going to come back. Probably a new glowing version of me is going to come back, okay? Guys, I've washed my face and this feels so good, like so soft. Thank you for this, Daisy.
Most welcome.
Genuinely, it's so supple and so nice. And the rice was like a gentle exfoliant.
Yeah. So the thing is, either you wash it off, or if you want to scrub your face, you just apply a little water, emulsify it,
Yeah.
and then wash it off.
Yeah, and it didn't dry my skin at all. It was really nice and moisturizing. So that brings us to the next segment, which is the game segment. I'm going to ask you, I'm going to give you a few rituals and trends. You have to tell me if it's Dadi approved or rejected with one line. You have to explain why it's Dadi approved.
Okay.
Okay. So let's begin. Collagen powders.
Not Dadi approved.
Not Dadi approved.
No.
Sure.
Because you be sure, मैं दादी जब हमारी दादियाँ थी वहाँ वो टाइम पे कोई collagen powder वगैरह नहीं था.
Natural,
But we had
that they had maybe, yeah.
अलसी.
Exactly.
So
Flaxseed.
that,
That was a natural collagen supplement.
Yeah.
Not supplement, it was a dietary.
Yeah. So the thing is that the reason, if you remember, अगर वो time का अगर हम बात भी करें, we used to have these mouth fresheners
Yeah.
after food, which had alsi in it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So they had
had
included
that
in their diet. It
exactly,
was like,
yeah.
it was a part of their diet. So it was never a problem. Haldi doodh.
Dadi approved.
Dadi approved.
Yeah.
I think it's every household story.
And like we don't even know कितने generation से ये चलना आ रहा है.
That is true. Do you like it? The taste of it?
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Yeah, can do.
Yeah.
With sugar and
No, not sugar.
no sugar. Just haldi.
My dadi used to give me ghee, haldi and namak.
Ghee, haldi and namak. That's a new combination. I've never heard of it.
That is the actual OG way of doing it.
Oh, ghee in haldi doodh is something very new to me.
Yeah.
I'm going to try it. It's like, it sounds like another.
I don't know. Maybe I put a foot in my own mouth.
Yeah.
But मेरे घर पे ऐसे बनता है.
No, but it sounds like another trend that's ghee in coffee. Is
Yes.
that Dadi approved?
It's fitness approved, I would say, but not
Yeah.
Dadi approved. Or
Why?
probably
Good,
yes,
like-
but I'm pretty sure like when you go up north, दादीज वहाँ से शायद ये चीज़ करती रहेंगी. इसलिए जब हम लोग नमक वाली चाय की बात करते हैं कश्मीर में जो मिलती है, yeah, that pink chai that we talk about, then they also have ghee wali chai.
Okay.
So I think it's come from there only.
Basically, the bullet coffee, the ghee coffee is kind of Dadi
Yeah,
approved.
kind of.
Yeah. Okay. What about skipping carbs completely?
No. You need to have your carbs. Even to lose weight, you need to have
I feel so
carbs.
scared about skipping carbs.
Because I love my carbs.
Yeah, same. I love my rice. So, can't imagine.
Yeah.
Packaged protein bars.
No, not at all.
Are you a no person for protein bars? Like,
No, I do love, but that is also an indulgence. It is not something that you have to look for every time. Like if you are on the go and you don't have anything else to eat and you're not finding anything that you want, then you can probably keep 1 or 2 protein bars in your bag. But that shouldn't be your go-to.
yeah. So you're not supposed to depend on it as a meal. Yeah, basically. Okay. And ghee in dal.
Dadi approved.
Dadi.
That's actually my mom approved also.
Yeah, and I think everyone loves it. Ghee in dal is like everyone's favorite. Last, soaking nuts overnight.
Dadi approved.
Dadi approved. Yeah. And one more, sorry, that was second last.
Okay.
Ajwain water, which you've already mentioned, so it has to be Dadi approved.
Yeah.
Amazing. It was so lovely to have you, Daisy.
Thank you.
It was wonderful.
Thank you.
Thanks for being a part of this show.
Thank you so much. Thank you for watching Dadi Approved with me, Daisy Shah, and you are watching Pink Villa.